Ooh, girl. Welcome to yet another alterations DIY vlog. First, sorry, let me address the elephant in the room. I have decided to go a little Tuscan wine mom for the outfit today. Just bear with me, okay? I have a very pink, white, red kind of vibe here. There are 4 alterations that I need to do. Crop this It's All About Me Minnie Mouse t-shirt. Also going to be cropping this Snoopy hibiscus t-shirt. Thrifted this in Vegas. Also thrifted this Tuscan wine mom top in Vegas. In one of my last alteration vlogs, I made the V a little less harsh. But I did not actually close it up as much as I wanted to. And also I'm thinking about getting rid of this little tie here. The last alteration that I'm going to be doing is cropping this Adidas baby pink crew neck. I think it is just so cute. And then over the weekend, I just thrifted this little hand decorated Takahashi San Francisco cat photo frame. And it's like all ceramic, so you just like put the picture in there. It is just so cute, the little cats on it. Love cats, obsessed with cats actually. Do I have a cat allergy that prevents me from living my life to the fullest? Yeah, girl. Yeah, okay, I do. I am just so obsessed with it, and so I'm going to like make a little picture for it. I'm gonna like draw me and my roommates. This frame is already so intricate that I'm not trying to outshine it, you know? So just like a stick figure drawing I think will be really cute. Last but not least, thrifted this as well. It just holds my sewing scraps. It is so cute, but I absolutely hate this little thing on it. Like I hate the butterfly. I hate all of it. So I'm going to take it off and repaint it. This and this will be last because girl, I gotta get through all of these alterations. First, I will crop these 2 t-shirts and then we'll go from there. The oldest trick in the book. I have this t-shirt. It is the perfect length. It hits me at the perfect spot. So I am going to copy paste onto these and just use it as an outline. And I am going to do these 2 at the same time because like I might as well if I'm just doing the same thing. I will leave a little bit of room for seam allowance, like maybe an inch. Double roll hem should be great. I was feeling a little bit lazy today, but I did decide 5 seconds ago, I am going to use an iron and try to do this right. So then I don't have to do it again. She's crazy. She's crazy. Who is she? I am looking for a bobbin that might be red. Did I ever do that? Maybe. I guess time to make a red one. Yes, perfect. After like 30 minutes, it's time to sew. I'm just going to do a straight stitch as straight as I can. Just sew down this double rolled hem that I did. I cannot lie to you, I was sweating bullets because I'm pretty sure this shirt is vintage, and if it's not vintage, I don't care. Either way, I just could not have it on me to mess this shirt up. I think I did maybe the best hemming I have done before. Also, I finished the seam very, very beautifully, the best I've ever finished any hem. Look at this. It looks so good. And I mean, like, you can obviously tell where I finished it, but it does look amazing. Usually the seams and the hems I do, it's like back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. And then I'm like not even on the track that I need to be on. So this is amazing. Now I'm going to switch my thread out, put in white thread, hem the Snoopy shirt, and then I will go back and press my seams so that I can lock it in. Girl, I don't know, but it will look better. Okay, girl. Ooh, girl, another amazing finish of a hem. It looks so good. Before I lose my focus, we have to press these seams, okay? We just have to. I'm trying to do this shit right. This does look a little short to me, but I feel like every time I crop something, it's just not cropped enough. I know I didn't show you a before, but I am going to show you an after. Okay, Snoopy. I think it looks amazing. The other day I went in to wear this with some jean shorts. I was trying to like tuck it in and it was just so much fabric. Now I just really like it, girl. This is perfect. Obsessed with this. And here is the Minnie Mouse shirt. It's all about me. Incredible thrift find. I am obsessed with this top, but yeah, it was just too long. And honestly, I could have cropped it maybe another half inch, but with that being said, I can always crop more, but I can't crop less. And I think like this is like perfect because I can do a little tuck in here. I know that I should in theory hand sew this, but I think because now I have a spool of red thread, I think I'm just going to stitch it up a little bit more. And because I have like stitched this up so far, this bow is kind of obsolete. Like it looks off center because the V is now higher. Everything is very red right now. Okay, I'm not gonna do a before because girl, this is just like so low cut. It's okay to be low cut, but I want this to be more of a top that I can wear regularly. Also, the brand is Rue 21. So yeah, I thrifted this for $2.50 in Oklahoma. Everything is thrifted, of course, girl. I feel like it is important to do videos like this, not only for like everyone watching, but for me too. I get in this mindset of like, why sew if I'm not making something, like turning a t-shirt into a tank top, an oversized button up into a two-piece set. I can't do any of that, but you know what I mean? I just feel like it's pointless to me sometimes, but then I have to like remind myself that making these small alterations to the clothing I already have is like very sustainable, and it's a really good way to get more use out of the clothes I already have. It's a good reminder, okay? Because it can be really easy to focus on like the super cool things people are sewing or like the people who are really good at sewing. But girl, you just gotta push through, okay? You just gotta keep sewing and keep trying. Anyways, sorry for that motivational speech that no one asked for. I think I'm just going to like fold this in half and try to sew this together. This might be something that's not great. For as wrong as whatever I just did was, it did actually sew it up some more. It's so hard to tell. This is coming across so neon on camera. Honestly, maybe that just did it. I'm going to seam rib this little bow off. Hopefully it didn't like make the cups too small. It's off. Worst come to worst, I could just sew it back on. Hopefully it just looks a lot better and like more normal and natural. I'm not feeling good about it. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. Here she is on, like nothing really crazy. They are a little bit uneven now, but that's fine. And now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, maybe I should reattach this. Maybe just like above where it was originally. I should have tried it on before I cut it off. I'm just gonna do a quick over it, I think. Girl, maybe it's better. I do feel like the bow is a little small. I love these strings that hang down. I'm going to say that this is a win. Eventually, if I wear it or not, if I don't, I can just seam rip and start fresh. This is actually a very easy DIY to do. I don't know, you just follow a YouTube video. So 10 inches off is kind of insane. That's my thing. Like, do I go up a little bit? Because this trim at the bottom is 3 full inches. And I will be taking a little bit off of it. Like when I cut it off, you'll see. Let's say we cut it here and then we add 2 inches even. It looks so, oh God. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. This has me in a panic. I just cut it in half. But on the plus side, I'm going to have a lot of this like nice, cute fabric. Kind of scared, kind of feeling like I don't know, just feeling kind of scared. So we're just gonna do it scared. Okay. I don't know what my issue is, but that was so incredibly difficult for me. This is me. Yeah, if you just follow the YouTube video, like it's just so easy. Well, to be honest, I did not really follow it because I just thought I remembered it correctly. Also, I'm just checking my seams, I guess, to see if they are like sticking out at all. You're supposed to pull the band because it's like more like elastic. So you had to pull it to fit the sweatshirt part. And I was pulling the sweatshirt part instead of the band. So at the end, I'm pulling the band as hard as I can to like fit. But I think it's done. I really hope it's not too cropped. It is looking pretty cropped. So let's just try this on, girl. I don't know how I feel about this. I think the length is fine. Also, because it is so like oversized, like when I go like this, it like droops at the sides. And I feel like that's not like super big of a deal, but is there something I could have done? Because when I stretch my arms out like this, it's even, but I think it's fine. I think it's still really cute. Do you like it? Does it look okay? Did I ruin this? I don't think so. I will say though that this little stuff is like coming out and it's everywhere, but at least it's my favorite color. It's cute. Okay. I feel like this is like perfect. Like a little like morning walk. I'm trying to like really talk it up right now. So I guess this is a win, but girl, it did take a lot from me because I was freaking, okay? So now all of the sewing projects are done. Very easy, very simple things. But like I said, it does just make my clothes a little bit more wearable. And girl, I'm trying to get as much wearability out of these damn clothes as possible. So this is great. Now we are going to move on to the DIY projects. I'm going to try to figure out how to get this thing off and just like pop it off and then just try to paint it under. But first, I'm going to make a little cute drawing for here and then we'll get into this. I have my shape. I want to put 5 of us on here. And then we just got a little like robot vacuum. My roommate named it Stacy. Like genuinely pissed me off because I'm like, why are you naming it Stacy? But now it's kind of funny and it kind of sticks. I'm just gonna do this in one go. Okay, maybe I'll add a little bit of hair. Wait, I'm telling you, like, this is actually so accurate. This is so cute. I'm gonna go put it downstairs right now. You cannot tell me that this doesn't look so cute. Maybe I'll change it out too, but it's just so cute. Using this screwdriver to get this off, hopefully. That sound is so scary. That sounds promising. Oh my god, it's actually painted under here. Okay, this is amazing news. I'm like, why would anyone cover this up? It's so beautiful. This is what we are looking at. I'm going to try to like peel this up, but I do see like some little spots where the paint is chipping, and then also I might ruin it with this. Oh. I did just go outside and scrape this off. I was hoping that maybe the heat of the sun would help or something. I don't know, but it's off. It's virtually flat. Maybe not really. Now there are a lot of like scratch marks and there are a few chunks taken out of this. Really wish I had some sandpaper. Girl, I don't care. I'm just gonna paint it. Actually really excited. This color looks very similar to that. And I don't think I have like the salmon color, but I can mix like a orange and pink. Maybe even a lighter pink too. This middle like yellowish brownish. I don't know. I am first going to do this bluish tealish color. Do you see this? I made the perfect color. Like it's kind of embarrassing like how much I really needed this win, but wow. I don't know if it does look a little empty in the middle now, but also like I kind of don't know what to tell you. Like this is me doing my best. It does not look amazing or perfect, but it does look so much better. And I'm like, was this a good idea? I don't know. But now I'm just going to do white dots down both sides there. And then I think it will be done. I'm just going to use the bottom of this paintbrush to just put the dots. Dare I say that kind of brought it all together? This is kind of cute. Maybe it's not perfect. Maybe it's not. But I will say the color matching, pretty phenomenal. Like pretty good. I think I kind of killed it. But it does look pretty empty now. You can really see the texture from me in the backyard. It would be kind of cute to put like some of these designs on the side, like here on the top. Also, they're like textured. Maybe I can like put some like hot glue or something and then like paint over it so then it gives it kind of like a cool texture. I don't know about all that. I'm going to say I'm done for now with this, which also means that I am done today in general. To be honest, I did need to do this because I've had so many like small things I've been wanting to do. It didn't feel like enough to like get out my sewing machine, get out my paints. But honestly, I'm really glad that I did. Like I feel so much better. And now I have 4 things that I can wear that I was like really not wearing. So happy. Girl, take this as your sign to do the small mendings, the small alterations. You will feel so much better. It is worth it. Yeah, me from my high and mighty place of finally doing these projects after them sitting there for months. Okay, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope to see you next time for whatever we get up to. And yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.